Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. I'm your host, and in this video, we'll explore what makes the Amazon Basics full-motion articulating TV monitor wall mount the top choice for mounting your TV. Let's kick things off by talking about its exceptional features. Designed for versatility and durability, this mount is compatible with TVs ranging from 26 to 55 inches, supporting weights of up to 80 pounds. It's engineered for concrete, brick, and wood stud walls, ensuring a secure installation every time. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the included mounting hardware, bubble level, and template. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a first-time installer, setting up this mount is a hassle-free experience. Now, let's talk about functionality. With a tilt range from +10 degrees to -5 degrees and an articulating arm that extends from 2.6 to 16.3 inches, you can achieve the perfect viewing angle from anywhere in the room. Plus, with a 180-degree swivel capability, you'll never miss a moment of your favorite shows. Whether you're enjoying movie night with a family or catching up on the latest sports action, this mount ensures a comfortable viewing experience every time. But what about build quality? Rest assured, the Amazon Basics full-motion articulating TV monitor wall mount is constructed from high-quality alloy steel, providing long-lasting durability and peace of mind. Its sleek black finish adds a touch of elegance to any room, seamlessly blending with your TV and decor. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable, versatile, and durable TV wall mount, look no further than the Amazon Basics full-motion articulating TV monitor wall mount. With its impressive features, easy installation, and robust build quality, it's truly the best choice for mounting your TV. That wraps up our review of the Amazon Basics full-motion articulating TV monitor wall mount. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.